Testing, 1, 2, 3. Test. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to TMT, where you master a trend, ride the momentum, and master and perfect your timing. So today, let's talk about the gold market. Today, we have been really predict the gold quite on spot because today we testing 1, 2, 3. Test. Today we are actually really on spot on gold. We are actually saying that the gold market is going lower as the price reaching through this level. So this is our resistance area and we do speculate that the price is going lower. So this is the first thing. And then after that, we also seeing that the price is going lower as well from here. So everything is actually quite good. Price to really reach back to the lower sides and reach back to this major supporting level. Okay, so let's recap what we have been saying and talking about today. Today, overall, our speculations is that the gold market should be going lower because, as I mentioned yesterday, that the upwards momentum is not that strong and it's don't have any reasons that the price gold will be going higher. That's why we are keep on telling everyone to do short positions. So today we can see that once the price is going ranging, we are actually using a baccarat, I mean like a roulette trading strategy to try everyone to do shots from here, and also the same thing as well from the GBUSD, and we are continue doing short positions as well. So overall our trade is actually really on spot, and we are speculations that the price will be continue going lower because dollar index is actually going quite strong. As I already mentioned that the dollar index is probably going stronger from the next couple of weeks or maybe even days. That's why we are quite keen saying that the gold market is going lower. So right now, let's talk about what is going on. Today the PPI data, I'm not so sure is it higher or lower than expectations, but from what I can see right now, it's probably will be higher than expectations. That's why we can see that the dollar index is going quite strong, and this has been putting pressure on the gold market. But anyway, as I mentioned before, I don't really expect that the gold will be breaking through really much today, so should be forming a much more higher chances that we'll be forming a ranging level. So let's talk about what our expectations later on. Currently, my expectation is that the price should be going lower a bit and then will be bouncing back. So I will be definitely thinking to do long positions, to be honest. But probably doing long, maybe starting, I guess, should be. Let's see. If we wanted to do long, where are we planning to do on? Okay, so let's see. Right now, I'm thinking that the market is showing some kind of supports. Right here, I don't think we can actually see anything else. So, uh, yeah, I think that right now it's actually the major supporting level is 40, I guess. 3340 is I mean, 3340 is actually a really strong support. So, hopefully everyone do give us some support, okay? Give us some support and remember to click like and subscribe, okay? So if you do really like our content, please give us some like, subscribe, and do follow us, okay? So if you do have any questions to ask, you can just ask on the comment sections below and I will be happily answer your questions, okay? So give us some like and subscribe and do follow us on the YouTube channel. Okay, so click like and subscribe, and we'll be continue doing live streaming sessions no matter what is happening, and give us some. Oh shit, quite strong. But to be honest, I don't really expect that the gold market will be going that much stronger, so should be spiking back any moment. Oh, I was thinking that this is actually a strong support. So price to really reach through some supports area from here. Oh, okay. Um, reaching back. Let's see. Hmm. 49. Yeah, I guess we can see that this is actually a strong supporting area from the monthly perspective, I guess. Is it? Is it monthly? I think it's monthly. It's actually quite strong on this supporting level. So 40 is actually quite strong on the supporting level. So I'm actually thinking that this is the strongest supporting level. that we can actually do. So we are actually speculations at 4-0 is quite solid. But I don't think we can actually do long right now. We still need to see some evidence saying that the price is actually rejections. Then we can actually do do long positions afterwards. Okay. So I think we just need to be patient at this time and see how it goes. I don't really think the market will be going really low. Dollar index is keep on going higher. Let's see. Today, is there any news is going on? So let's see. So remember everyone, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and do follow us. And we'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday till Friday from 10 to 11. Okay. Hopefully the internet is coming back. Oh, the internet it's not looking good. Yeah, I can't do much about it right now because the internet is not quite smooth. Yeah, anyway, so let's see from the gold market. I think 4-0 is actually quite solid supporting level at right now. So I guess 4-0 is actually quite solid. Not quite. We still need some confirmations at the moment. Shit, the internet is really lagging. I can't do much about it. Okay, so let's see. Right now, we do speculate that the price should be reaching back 60, 16 area, 16, 17. Yeah, I do think the price might be spiking back lah, but we still need some confirmation first. Only that we can try to do long positions afterwards. Okay, so we can see that the 4 hour time frame do really go through on the lower sides, but I do expect that it will be spiking back any moment. Even though overall we do see that the gold market is going lower lah. If you do really watch my live streaming from the past few weeks, and I already call everyone to do shorts positions from the gold because we have been already analyzing from the bigger time frame, the market analysis, the market sentiment, and everything else. It's much more likely to see the gold market to drop to a really low area to 3,200 or even much more lower. This week we are definitely, not this week lah. This month we are definitely looking to do short positions on the go. Okay, definitely it's dropping it, and it's highly chances that the price will be going a really dramatically a downtrend momentum. This is what I'm expecting on, and we do see that the gold dollar index is actually spiking up, so it's actually a good sign. In other way around. Okay. So right now we are currently seeing that the gold market see let's see the gold market is spiking back. If the price do really spike back, then I think we can actually do a bit long positions after. If the price do really go back to the lower sides, then we can't do much about it. Okay, so let's see. Today we have been giving out two trading signals and all we have been profit out. This first one is this level. Okay, this level 64, 63, and 65. We have been giving out trading signals, profit out. Second one is GBUSD. We also do short positions starting from here. So I already explained what I've been changing my approach from my trading strategy. Okay, from the past, I'm actually approaching it with much more convictions about the clarity of the trend, and the risk reward ratio will be much more needing to 2 to 1. So the setup and the requirement is much more higher. But right now, I'm actually using another approach, what we call the roller approach. Okay, the roller approach is something like is risk reward ratio. Okay, the higher the risk reward ratio, and the winning rate is definitely will be affected. Okay, so we just need to make sure that if we do earn, we need to cover out our losses. So this is the things that I do really think about it. So in the next futures, we'll be keep on doing trades. And if you do really like our content, please give us a like and subscribe. Okay, so if you do really like my content, please give us a like and subscribe, and do remember to follow my trading signals, or maybe educations and so on. Okay, so remember, if you do really like my content, please give us a like, subscribe, and do follow us. Okay, so let's see. I think the price should be spiking any moment. 49. If the price do really spike back above 40, I think we might be able to do long positions and see the price to go higher. If the price didn't really spike back, then I don't really wanted to do much more about it. I think one of the biggest reasons is that the dollar index is going quite strong lah. But to be honest, I don't really expect that the gold market to drop that much, because today is Thursday and usually Tuesday is the lowest, so it's not quite often to see the price to break through this level, to be honest. So yeah, I don't really expect that this might be happening, so it's much more leaning to go through some kind of ranging level at this time. So let's see if we are right or wrong. Okay, so if you do really like my content, please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions no matter what happens. Okay, so no matter what happens, we'll be doing live streaming sessions from starting from 10 to 11. Okay, even though right now the internet, I'm not so sure how it goes, but we'll be definitely keep on watching it. Okay. Okay. So as I mentioned, I don't really expect the market to break through, so should be forming some kind of support. But we do still need some convictions about it. Right now, we need to see that price is above 40. If that's happening, I think we might be able to do long positions afterwards. And if we do, I think we can actually get some out of it. So yeah, I think right now we just need to be patient and see how the price react afterwards. If we do see the price is above 40, I think we can actually do long positions afterwards. Okay, so if you do really like my content, please give us a like, subscribe, and do follow us, and we'll be continue doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday till Friday. Okay, from 10 to 11. Okay, so this is our live streaming sessions for now, and we'll be keep on doing it. Okay, even though right now we do see that's a lot of things to improve, as I mentioned before, I think we have a lot of things to improve: the quality, the things, and the content. Definitely, we need to improving. Okay, so let's see. Hmm. I do think that this might be the bottom lah. So if we do can try to do long positions, maybe we can try to see to do long positions. If we do, I think we can actually get a really good risk ratio. Yeah, I do expect that the market is pumping out. It's not quite likely to go through a really deep retracement, I guess. So, yeah, currently I'm expecting that the price should be reaching through some kind of slowing down. and see how it happens later on. Okay, so if you do really interested on my trading methods and do really wanted to know more about it, give us a like and subscribe, and do remember that we'll be doing live streaming session single day from Monday to Friday from 10 to 11. No matter what happens, we'll be doing live streaming sessions for now, and hopefully can give us some support. Okay, so hopefully everyone do really give us some support, and try to make it as try to make it as you to much more supportive, I guess. Okay, so as I mentioned, I don't really expect that the gold market will be dropping that drastically. So right now we are waiting for some confirmations. So this is actually a really good confirmations, as I mentioned. So if the price is actually above 40, and I think I will be entering maybe another 30 to 20 minutes. After that, I will be trying to do long positions and aiming back towards on the higher sides. Okay, so why I'm thinking that the price is not going lower. Okay, firstly, we can see that the price has been reaching through the weekly low. The second thing is that the market is actually swiping highs and lows in the same time. So it's not quite often and not quite likely to see the price to give us a dramatic range, I guess. So I don't really expecting that happens. So because of that, I will be much more leaning to say that the price should be much more on the ranging sides. Okay, so if you do really like my content, please give us a like, subscribe, and do follow us, because we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday from 10 to 11. Okay, from 10 to 11, and we'll be definitely keep on upgrading our content. Right now, we're still on the starting phase, trying phase, try and error, and see how what can we do to improve. Do follow us, because we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday from 10 to 11. Okay, from 10 to 11, and we'll be definitely keep on upgrading our content. Right now, we're still on the starting phase, trying phase, trying and see how what can we do to improve. Okay, so if you do have any questions, just leave the comment section below and let us know what is your thought about it. Because we'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions and try to make it as good as possible our content. Okay, so remember by that. So I think this is actually really good, because we are expectations that this might be happening. So I think we can actually do long afterwards. I will be giving out a long trading positions later. So we just need to see some confirmations for now. This is actually a really good. So I just need to wait for another 20 minutes, I guess. 20 to 25 minutes, and then I will be doing long positions and try to get I guess we can actually aim back towards on the higher sides, I guess. I think we can safely to say that aiming back to 49 to 50. So if the price do really go back, I think it's more likely to go back to 49 to 50 area. So I will be doing long positions afterwards. Okay, so we'll be aiming it and see how it turns out. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please give us a like and subscribe, and do really give us some support out of it. We'll be doing live streaming sessions, as I mentioned, every day from 10 to 11, and I will be also giving out trading signals and so on. So if you do really have any I think if you do have any Hmm. Hmm. Still manageable, lagging but still manageable. But right now the internet is not looking good. The internet problem, I'm not so sure what is going on. Tomorrow, I'm definitely calling it and see what can we do about it, because recently the internet problem is a really big problem. So I will be definitely calling it and see what can we do to change the problem, and how to make it much more how to make it much more better. Okay, recently we can see that the AUD has been dropping that much. To be honest, I was wanted to do shots, planning to be honest. If we do shots positions from here, I didn't really expected that this much. So this is actually a really big drop, to be honest. Didn't really expected this, but GBUSD, we are already expected that the price is dropping that. So we'll be definitely keep on doing short positions and see how it turns out. Okay, so I think it's actually really good on this one. So we'll be definitely keep on doing shots and see how it turns out. From the gold market perspective, as I mentioned, I'm expecting that the price it's not going that much lower. Silver is dropping quite much. I think because the price has been reaching through this high, and the price really reached through some kind of big supporting level. So this will be also holding the price of silver as well. So currently we are expecting that the silver is going up. So I will be planning to do long positions afterwards. Okay, so just need to hold on it. I will be doing long positions later on, and we'll be speculating that the price will be at least going back to 50. So we'll be doing long positions, and as I mentioned, I don't really expect that the gold will be dropping that much, at least today. So it's much more likely on leaning that the price is going to a ranging level. So I just need to wait for some kind of timing and confirmations, as I mentioned, then we can actually do long, okay? And getting maybe around 30 to 40 pips. Okay, so right now we just wait for the price to hold on it, and we can try to do long positions and just hold up above. Okay, so this is my speculations. Two trading signals and two all profit out. So today we'll be posting another signals if the price already reach you. So hopefully overall it's actually quite okay lah. So give us a like and subscribe, everyone. Oh shit, what happened? Lagging, lagging, lagging. I fuck the internet. Recently the internet is really a big problem. Okay, hopefully everything is fine. Shit. Okay, so we'll be definitely keep on doing long positions afterwards and see how the price react. Okay, so let's see. I think we can actually do long positions on this one. And overall, my speculation is that the price should be going lower and will be breaking through this major low. Yeah, my currently expectation is that the price should be continue going lower. And where is it going to? Should be reaching back towards on. If you have any questions, feel free to ask on the comment section below, and I will be happily answer your questions regarding on anything. Okay, so leave the comment section below so that I know that what are your questions and what are your thoughts. Okay, okay. So let's see what is going on. Right now, I'm speculations that the price should be going ranging. Afterwards, will be going back towards on the higher sides. Okay, so let's see how it goes and see what can we do about it. Okay, so if you do have any questions, just leave at the comment section below. Give us some support, and do remember that we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday from 10 to 11. So hopefully you guys can actually give us some support of it. Okay, so anyway, we just need to wait for another 15 minutes, and then I think we will be safe to say that we can try to do long positions and try to aim above 50. I guess we can actually aim above 50. As I mentioned, I don't really expect that the market will be breaking through this level today. Maybe tomorrow is possible, I guess, but probably not today. So should be quite likely to form back towards on 5023, I mean 3350. We just need to wait for some confirmations and then should be quite fine. Oh shit. Yeah, I think it should be quite fine. Just need to wait for some confirmations and then we can actually do long positions afterwards. So right now I'm actually speculations that this might be the bottom. Yeah, I think we can actually do long positions. Try to do long and putting stop loss just below 60 to 70 pips and get to 50121, 1 to 1.2. Yeah, just need to wait for it and see how it turns out. Okay, so I think we just need to wait for another 50 minutes and then should be fine. From the dollar index, yeah, dollar index is spiking back to the lower sides. Euro USD is spiking back, and GBP is also spiking back a bit. But anyway, I think today we have been giving out a lot of good trading signals. The first thing is we are using another trading approach, the roulette approach. Okay, so we have been talking much more details about from our previous video. I mean, from the previous part, we have been telling about what's our trading methods and what's our idea from it. Okay, previously my trading methods is much more aiming from the higher winning rates. So if I do really want to aim higher winning rates, I need to wait for the setups. I need to wait for the confirmations, and the requirement is much more higher. So I have been missing out. I think from the last 2 days, I mean, yesterday and last 2 days has been missing out trades, or even though if I do enter my trades, maybe it's too late or some sort. So I've been adjusting it because recently the market situations is a bit weird, to be honest. If you do really watch closely, you can see that the market is a bit slow and then fast, slow and then fast. I think right now is the best approach to use the roller approach. Roller approach is much more effective, and it's a bit gamble, I can say, a bit gamble. But if you do have some good tools and good analysis about it, I think in the long run you definitely can actually earn more about it. Okay. So right now, let's see, okay? We just need to wait for some confirmations, maybe another 10 to 50 minutes, and then we can actually do long positions and just try to aim through 50, okay? 3350. My speculation is that the price might be going back to 3350 and see how it turns out, okay? Not quite likely to see the price to go back to 330 because right now it's 10:30 and usually starting from 12 a.m. the market will be starting to slowing down. So I don't expect the market to dropping this as today. So it's much more likely to go through a ranging level. Okay. So let's see. We just need to wait for another moment and then we can try to do long positions. Okay. So where can we do long? Let's see. I think the best scenario is that if the price do go back to 41, I think we can actually do long in 41. 41 is actually quite solid. So it should be around this level, 41, 40, and 39. Putting stop loss maybe just below this area. If the price really reach through them, no choice lah, I can say. Then probably the price might be reaching back to this level, but I don't really think that. So overall, my speculations is that the price should be likely to reach through 3350. It's much more easier. Okay, so just now, right now, we just need to wait for a patience game and see how it turns out. Okay. So remember everyone, if you do really like and enjoy my content, please give us a like and subscribe, okay? Because we have been doing live streaming sessions, I guess, almost 2 weeks. So I think we have been starting from last Monday, if I'm not mistaken. Last Monday. Yeah, I think it should be last Monday. Then we have been starting for 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks, one and almost half. Yeah, I think the almost 2 weeks I can say. Okay, we have been giving out a lot of good qualities informations, okay, regarding from the bigger picture, smaller picture, and also the content parts. Right now I'm also preparing the PPT and keep on pushing the contents. Okay, so if you do really like my content, okay, just remember to give us some like and subscribe. Hmm. Let's see. Right now it's actually much more effective, and see how it turns out. I might need to cut my hair. Most likely might need to cut my hair really. Okay, like and subscribe everyone. Remember to press the like and subscribe. I think we can actually do long because we do see some kind of pressure of it. So let's see. Press. It's possible to reach back to lower sides. Hmm. Yeah, I think we can actually do long positions later on. Because we do. Oh shit. I really lagging. The internet problem. It's not quite smooth. But I think it's better than better than just now. The internet is really not that good. Okay, so if you do have any question, just feel free to comment at the comment section below and let me know what's your thought about it. And I will be probably keep on improving it. Okay. So if you do have any questions, just feel free to ask on the comment section below and we'll be continue doing live streaming sessions. Okay. Oh, really lagging on the internet. Let's see. Testing. Testing 1 2 3. I think should be fine. Okay. So let's see. I think we can actually do long positions. Just need to wait for another 2 to 3 minutes. I think should be quite okay. So right now, is it possible the price to go lower back to this level? Or do we want to do a reverse trading from here? Yeah, I think we can actually try to see is it possible to go to this level. But it's a bit risky, I can say. But let's see. Yeah, I don't think we can actually do this area. Should be here. So 40, 39, 38. 339, 38, 35. Think need to be at least 3, 4, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4. Let's make it 3, 3, $7 range. And we are getting back to 47, 50, 53. Let's see, can we get it? I think should be not a really big problem. We just need to see can we get this one? And from the dollar index, let's see on the other pairings. Gold, silver. Uh, yeah, I think we can actually do long positions. So if you do really like my content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. We'll be definitely keep on doing trades together and keep on watching it. Okay, so as I mentioned, we can actually do long positions right now. Just do long positions once the price theory go back to 40, and just try to do long positions afterwards. Okay, so we'll be entering about later on. So we just need to be patient. Yeah, I think another 4 minutes and price might be showing that much. And see, can we get back towards on the higher sides? Okay, so we'll be definitely doing long and see can we get to it. Okay, so if you do really like my content, remember to give us some like and subscribe because we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday to 10 to 11. Okay, so if you do have any questions, just leave the comment section below and let us know what's your thought about it and how do you want us to do our live streaming sessions and so on. Okay, so let me know on the comment sections. Okay, I think it's actually quite okay. Okay, so another few more pips. I think we can actually do long the 40 to 30 area. So let's see. We'll be doing long positions another few minutes. Okay. Yeah, I think should be fine. Here we can actually put 721. I think we can actually do long positions right about now. 40. Okay, so if you do really like my content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And we'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions for you guys every day from Monday to Friday and trade for you guys. Okay, so if you do have any questions, just leave at the comment section below, and I'll be answering you guys every single day. Okay, so why I'm doing long positions because I'm expecting that the price should be going ranging. So should be bouncing back towards on 50. This is my speculations. If price didn't really bounce back, then too bad lah. Okay, but I do think it's most likely to reach back. So 140 is actually a really good spot to do long. So overall, we'll be doing long positions and see how it turns out, and see how can we get it. Okay. So if you do have any question, just leave the comment section below and just give us some like and subscribe. Okay. Let's see. Right now, the market is actually reaching through. Okay, so I do think we can actually do long on 40. So as actually is quite solid in this moment. So overall, my speculation is that the price should be going back towards on the higher sides and see how it turns out. Okay, so overall, my expectation is that the price should be going back and going back to 47 at least. Okay, so this is our thoughts and see how it turns out. Okay, so if you do have any questions, just leave at the comment section below and I will be answer your questions. Okay, so we have been giving out a trades and see how can we do about it. Okay, so we have been announcing to do long positions on 40, 38, and 39. Overall, this is the best area to do long positions, and we are speculating that the price will be going back to 50. So, not really expect the price to go lower. So, this is the area, a really good time to do long positions and aiming back to 50 or even 50, 51, 52. Okay, so yeah. Just need to wait and see. Yeah, right now is the best timing to do long positions because I do expect the market to reach through and showing us some signs of going higher. There's a major supporting level around 40 to, I mean, 40, 38, 39 is actually a really spectacular supporting level. So my speculation is should be forming some kind of supports and bouncing back. Okay. Yeah, I think we can actually do long positions right now. So yeah, let's see. So we'll be doing long positions and putting our TP area to, let's say we put back to 48 lah. Okay, maybe around 48. And our stop loss, maybe it's 1-to-1 ratio. It's not that spectacular to be honest, but yeah, I think we can actually get back to it. Okay. So right now we'll be having to give out a trading opportunity. So if you do like our content, give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, like and subscribe. Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's see. Overall, I do speculate that the price should be slowing down. 38, 39. It's quite a bit supporting level. 39 area. Yeah, 39, 38. And C, can we get back to 47, 48, or even 50 to be much more concerned about it? Can we get back to 50 area? So if we do, remember to give us some like and subscribe, okay? And remember that we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday from 10 to 11. So we have another 10 minutes left. So if you do have any questions, just leave at the comment section below and tell us what's your thought and what's your what's your thought. Mm, also sure what's my live streaming sessions on the first one. Maybe because it's English, so nobody watching. Not so sure why, but I do think that English is also have their crowd as well. So yeah, let's see how it turns out. Okay, 40, 39, and if we all is on the right spot, I think the price should be going back to 47 to 48 area, or maybe even 50 to be much more exact. So let's see, can we reach it back? Should be going there by any moment. I guess should be going there by another 1 hour. I guess should be around that area. So let's see. Hmm. Neil Robertson 真的是主捏。嗯哼哼。 Okay, so right now just waiting game. We just need to wait for another hour. Then we should know our answer. Is it to TP to 47 to 48 to 50, or will be to our SL to 33 34 area? Okay, so remember by that. Okay, so we'll be ending our live streaming sessions another 5 minutes. So if you do have any questions, just feel free to ask on the comment section below. If not, we will be ending our live streaming sessions another 4 minutes. Thing should be at the lowest already, but this might not be a really good sign. Even though 39, 38 is actually a really strong supporting level, how so sure is it possible to spike back and reaching back towards this level? Yeah, we might be waiting for it and see how it turns out. Okay, we'll be knowing our answer within the next hours. So if the price really reach our TP area, then we can actually expect that the price to go back to 47, 48, 49. If the price did not, then we just need to accept it. Okay. Mm, mm. Okay. So we'll be waiting for now and see how it turns out. So if you do like our content, give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. So let's recap what we have been saying today. Today we have mentioned that we have been giving out really good trading opportunity as using another approach by the slowing down. Then we just do long positions and get back to a really good pricing. And we are giving out a really good trading opportunity like the GPUSD, GBUSD, we have been doing shorts positions. And what else? The Euro USD, we also giving out a short positions from here. It's actually really good. And what else? The silver, I think we still need to digest a bit. And from the gold market, we already mentioned that today we have been giving out short positions. Starting from here is actually a really good one, and we are speculating that the price it's going lower. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and just remember that we'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday till Friday from 10 to 11. Okay, so right now we have been doing long positions and see how it turns out. Okay, so as I mentioned right now, why we be doing long, because I don't really expect the market to break through and should be slowing down lah for the couple of hours, and the downtrend momentum will be exactly to be slowed down. So if that's happened, I think we can speculate that the price should be reaching back towards on the higher sides, maybe back to 48. 47 is my bear marker. The highest maybe reaching back around 50 area. So if we do, I think we can actually have a really good 70, 80 to 90 pips area. So let's see. I guess we will be knowing the answer within the next hours. So meaning by that is 11 to 12. I think should be knowing the answer. Can we hit our TP or hit our stop loss? Okay. So let's see. So we'll be ending our live streaming sessions for now. So I do hope that everyone can actually enjoy our live streaming sessions, because we have been talking a lot, the details, how do we do long, why we are do long, and why the perspective about of it, and why I've been putting out this area as a supporting level from 40, 39, and 38 area is a strong supporting area. Okay, so hopefully everyone do really enjoy it. So thank you for everyone watching it, and give us some like and subscribe. If you do have any questions, just leave at the comment section below. And remember, I will be doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday from 10 to 11. Okay, everyone do really